Hi everyone, my name is Yulia. Today I'll show you how to make such a vase with lotus. I'm sure that you'll never find such thing in a shop. I want to reinvent the wheel and do the lotus using existing tutorial. Take white satin ribbon 5 cm wide and cut needed length. We'll need 12 such pieces. Fold in two, once more, cut a petal, we get 2 petals from one stripe of ribbon. Further, we'll need a lighter and a tweezers. Fold the petal inside out, hold using the tweezers. The tweezers I use are very comfortable, you can hold the petal and it won't go anywhere. Solder the middle of the petal and melt the edges. That's what we get. Next, we do smaller petals. Cut 3 pieces and do petals from them. Take felt base 4 cm in diameter and glue on it first layer of petals. It will be 6 petals in every layer. Next layer of petal, glue in the chessboard order. Small petals turned out to glue 5 pieces. 1 was unnecessary. We get a large blooming flower. From 3 types of stamens make the middle for our flower. Glue together 3 branches of stamens. Then, along the perimeter, glue the second type of stamens and then the third one. We get such an interesting middle for our flower. Cut off all unnecessary and fix the cut with glue. Be careful, don't burn yourself. Insert the middle to the flower. Now do leaves. Cut necessary size. fold the ribbon inside out and melt edges together. Cut out the desired shape of the leaf. Melt edges and make lines. We'll need 3 such leaves. Glue them to the flower. Our lotus flower is ready. Now we need organza, the white 5 cm in white, blue and pink 4 cm in white. Cut into squares. From color organza, do sharp double kanzashi petal. From white square, make 1 sharp petal and paste in it the double one. Glue the ends and cut off all unnecessary. Make 4 such petals. Now take beads. 1 bead 8 mm, 3 beads 6, 4 beads 4, 5 beads 2. Put beads on the wire in order of decrease in diameter. Fix the wire and cut unnecessary. From this body we'll do a dragonfly. Make more wire and make several turns around the body between the second and the third beads. Put 1 bead on both ends and glue wings. We get lovely dragonflies. Take glass round vase, the volume of mine is 3.5 liters, tear off the price tag and clear the glass. The vase is prepared. For the lotus flower we need to do a base. Use foam bobbin, cut out a square 2 or 2.5 cm in height. Glue around with white satin ribbon. And glue it to the flower. Fill the vase with the decorative glass stones. I bought 4 types of stones. Try on our lotus flower how it looks and holds. Take half bead 6 mm in diameter and glue them to the throat of vase. Use polymer glue. I decided that 1 flower not enough and made 2 smaller flowers. The size of the required petals you see on the screen. Make 6 pieces of each type. Do the base for smaller flowers and glue around with white satin ribbon. Take 2 cardboard stripes and glue small flowers on it. We need to make the composition one. Try on the place of connection of 2 flowers, encircle with a pencil and fix on with hot glue. Do the same with the last flower. Now take a piece of green foam and close the ugly bottom. In the process, I decided that the pink butterfly is very bright for this composition and replaced the wings with another shade of blue. I think this combination looks much better. Take a floral wire, hold it in 2 and bend at the right angle about 3 cm of the wire's end. Make several such branches. Glue them to our composition. First butterfly I fixed using the wire, the second one I glued to the flower. Put the composition inside the vase. And fill it with stones. Distribute them. Pay attention to the place between the flowers. After filling the stones, the flowers won't go anywhere. Align the wire. That's all. The florarium is done. It's perfect for a gift and will be a great decoration. Lotus flowers, symbol of rebirth, beauty, life, happiness and purity. We just need to pack a gift. Thank you for watching the video, I hope it was interesting for you. If you have any questions, please ask them in comments. I'll try to answer them all. Subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss new videos. See you soon, bye bye!